To enroll in Zelle with Capital One, start by opening the Capital One mobile banking app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, log into your Capital One account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section of the app. Look for the Zelle option, which may be listed under a separate tab or within the transfer menu. Select the Zelle option to begin the enrollment process. You will be prompted to review and agree to the terms of service for Zelle. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to indicate that you agree to the conditions. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity and confirm your email address or mobile phone number. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is protected. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone to complete this step. Once you have verified your identity, you will be asked to link your Capital One account to Zelle. Select the account you want to use for Zelle transactions, such as your checking or savings account. Review the account information to ensure it is accurate and select Confirm to complete the link. After linking your account, you will be able to send and receive money using Zelle. To send money, simply select the Send option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and select Send to complete the transfer. To receive money, ensure that your email address or mobile phone number is registered with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited directly into your linked Capital One account. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, and the service is available 24/7. However, it is crucial to only send money to people you trust, as Zelle transactions are irrevocable. In conclusion, enrolling in Zelle with Capital One is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and efficiently send and receive money using Zelle.